Hi everyone, this is Vipin Kumar here. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the one limb manometer, which is basically used to find out the pressure in a pipe at a single point with the help of this manometer. And the specialty of this manometer is basically it is used to find out the large amount of pressures without changing the length of its limb, because we increase the area to compensate the length of the manometer. So let's discuss how to find out this. Okay, so here you can see this is the cross-sectional diagram of one limb manometer, in which this is pipe, this is the tube which is connected to this pipe, and this is the reservoir tank. Okay, and then this is connected to this tube which is here like this. Okay, so here you can see that this green fluid is the fluid which is flowing inside this pipe, and after that this blue fluid is basically the manometric fluid, which is generally a mercury. Okay, and this red color zone is basically the color which is showing us that once this pressure PA is applied on free surface of this mercury, so it will push the level of mercury to some a small height which is denoted by H. So its final height is settled at this point if this pressure is there. Okay, so let's say there is a datum xx. So at this datum xx we can simply calculate the pressure using the hydrostatic law, and after that we can find out what is Pa, what should be the expression of Pa for this particular manometer. Okay, so let's start. Using hydrostatic law, using hydrostatic principle here, at datum xx the pressure above xx. Okay, so there are two limbs. If we just divide it into two parts, so this is left, this is right. Okay, so pressure in left limb, pressure in left limb is basically the pressure inside this pipe plus pressure because of this. Okay, so the pressure at this point should be equal to pressure inside this pipe plus pressure because of this pressure head, which is R, the small r plus H, and the density of the working fluid in this case will be this. So we can say that rho W, W is for working, G into small r plus H. So this is the pressure here. Okay, so let's say this is equation number 1, and pressure in right limb is the pressure because of this mercury head up to this datum. Okay, so this distance is r plus H. So we can simply say that rho G, rho is the density of mercury or the manometric liquid, so rho m into G into capital R plus H. So this is equation number 1, and according to the hydrostatic principle these two equations should be equal because these are the pressure equations at the same location in left side and right side. Okay, so I can say that Pa plus rho W G R plus H, R plus small h, is equal to rho m G capital R plus H. Okay, or Pa is what? Rho m G R plus H minus rho W G small r plus H. Now here, generally in industrial designs of this manometer, the area ratio of this reservoir and the tube is of the 100 times. Okay, so area, let's say capital A is the area of this reservoir, so it is basically 100 times of the area of this tube. Okay, so we can simply say that A upon A is 100. Okay, so the volume of this container, this red zone, which is basically changed volume and the final position, because of the pressure. So that is equal to the area, cross sectional area of the container multiplied by height, and this volume will be equal to the volume in the right side up to the height r. So we can say that area of this h like a into r. So from here h is equal to a upon capital A into r, and since we established that capital A upon A is 100, so small a upon capital A is 1 upon 100. So we can say that h is 1/100th of r. If we put this value in this equation, so the expression of PA would be rho m g r plus r upon 100 minus rho w g small r plus r upon 100. Okay, so this is the expression of the pressure inside a pipe if especially this particular design of manometer is connected to the pipe. Okay, I hope you liked this video. If yes, please share this with your friends who are preparing for gate exam and preparing for fluid mechanics, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed it. And thank you, take care.